There's a weird thing you notice the first time you drive a Tesla. It sounds like nothing, like a spaceship version of driving through a vacuum. It's almost eerie at first. No engine rumble, no gear shifts, nothing but tire-on-road silence. People think of silence as neutral, but in a car it's unsettling. You're so used to the feedback loop of sound that when it's gone, you feel like something is broken. It's like trying to play video games with the sound off. You know it works, but it feels wrong. Tesla tried to solve this by giving their cars a fake external sound. At low speeds, the car emits a sci-fi hum outside, so pedestrians don't get blindsided. It's required now by law for electric vehicles because people kept getting too stealthily mowed down in parking lots. Inside, though, that's where the real work starts. So many drivers were weirded out by the lack of noise that some owners started adding audio feedback themselves. People legit modded their Teslas to play futuristic whooshes and engine growls when they accelerate, for no real reason except it felt more real. You can actually choose from a selection of these sounds in some Tesla models. They call it Boombox Mode. If you own a Model 3, Model Y, or any newer production car with an external speaker, you can make your car sound like a fighter jet or a goat. No, seriously, a screaming goat. It's easy. Go to Toybox Boombox on the Tesla screen. Then you can pick from preloaded sounds or upload your own via USB. I've seen cars that play Star Wars TIE Fighter sounds or that blast the Knight Rider theme while driving slowly. Total nerd flex, but totally fun. The reality is, this sound obsession comes down to psychology. The lack of traditional car noises makes people feel disconnected from their machines. Sound is feedback. Even fake sound gives the brain something to latch onto. That's why adding a good driving sound effect can completely change how the car feels. Pro tip for anyone reading this: if you're uploading your own sound file, make it short and loopable. Tesla plays it outside the car, but only at speeds under 19 miles per hour. Above that, silence returns. So go with something punchy, like a turbine spin-up. Another fun twist: some smart folks figured out how to rig the speakers inside the cabin too. If you're extra into immersion, you can run audio tracks synced to acceleration or braking using connected apps. It's not officially supported, but the Tesla Reddit community is loaded with clever mods. But all of this points to something deeper. We've made cars basically silent, and now we're trying to add the noise back in. It's like making perfect food in pill form, then spending years trying to invent artificial flavor. We miss the chaos we optimized out. Even the car companies know this. Porsche's Taycan? They added a synthesized engine sound called electric sport sound that plays through the speakers. BMW's i4 hired Hans Zimmer to design the fake engine whine. Yes, that Hans Zimmer. Imagine hitting the accelerator and suddenly you're in Inception. So yeah, Teslas might save the Earth, unleash AI, and drive us to work while we nap, but they're also living proof that we crave emotion in machines. And for some reason, that emotion often comes in the form of a fake spaceship hum. Go figure.